He's beautiful. Look at you in the bathtub.
Mommy, you can't show that.
That's
Keep
nice.
scanning, Mom. The amazing Epson Fast Photo Scanner. The easy way to preserve all your precious photos.
There you go. Look at that.
This thing doesn't mess around. Scans super fast.
I finished another one.
It digitizes your photos, pops them right up there on the screen, and helps you organize them however you want.
I keep all the cute diaper photos in this folder.
You can even get rid of red eye and enhance the color so faded photos look sweet.
You're pretty sweet, baby.
Well, thank you, Mommy. Share them out to the whole family.
And that's not all. Check your phone, Shaquille.
What's this?
Go ahead, press play. The best family in the world, my family.
How you do that?
On the app,
App.
Fast Photo app. And you call yourself a spokesperson?
The Epson Fast Photo Scanner.
And app, so you can preserve what's priceless.
Piece of cake, baby.